Hi guys, welcome to another video. If you are new here, my name is Christina and I'm actually going to be doing a video on my mom kit. So this mom kit, I actually created this, made this up, I don't know, back when I was in Europe. I'm kind of like the mom of my friend group, so I kind of take care of them. Anyway, so I created this mom kit type of thing. It just started to build whenever we would go out to like in town or something. I just started like making a bag of little things that I thought we would probably need when we were out traveling or something. So I'm going to show you the contents of this. With this, I also continued it into my last year of college. So what I do is I actually just put this in my backpack and it doesn't take up much space. I use a Fajal as my backpack. Is that how you pronounce it? Fajal? Fajal. So that's what I use. So I'm going to show you what's exactly in here, and it can be customized, but these are the things that I found that I would need regularly, so I put these in there. So first off, a pen. You could always use a pen. Some chapstick. I think this chapstick is from Trader Joe's. See what else is in here. Tide pen. You never know how handy these come in until you're actually out and about and you're like, oh, I just spilled coffee on me or something. So these come in handy very much so. Hand sanitizer, just a little bit of a germaphobe. My hair has gotten long enough now so that I could actually put it up in a bun or something. That is a terrible bun. So now I've started to carry a hair tie around again. I don't like carrying them on my wrist, so I keep them in my mom kit. Tylenol. This honestly comes in handy. I was in class a couple of weeks ago and a girl, she had cramps and I was like, ah, I have Tylenol. Lotion. What I even do, because I also have the Shea Moisture lotion in the full size, is that whenever this runs out, I actually just go ahead and refill it. So I just have the same container. Floss. I don't even know where I got this tiny little container. I think I got it from my dentist when I had my last checkup, but I haven't run out. So this is a really handy essential because I easily get food stuck in my teeth, which also explains why I also have a toothbrush and toothpaste in my mom kit as well. I like to brush my teeth or just carry mints or gum around as well. A nail filer. Sometimes my nails will just chip or break and then I have a sharp edge, so this comes in handy. In fact, I need to get a new one. This is very old. Sweat blot sheets. These are very inexpensive. I found these in the... they're actually really dirty too. I found these in the travel section of Walmart or something. I'm sure you can find these at your local grocery store or drugstore, but they are these thin little sheets. I know some brands have better quality, but I just got these to I just needed some. So they're nice because then I can just take all the sweat off of my face. This was really great in the summer. I just washed my face so it's not that oily, but that's what that looks like. A mirror comes in handy if I need to look at my teeth in case there's food in there. My multivitamins, so I'm very bad at taking multivitamins, so what I do is I put them in this little container, so that way, because this is always in my backpack, my multivitamins are always there, so I can take them if I'm on the go, or if I forget to take them before I leave. Allergy pills, so I am lactose intolerant, but I can take 2 of these and I can have whatever dairy I want. Lastly, I also have an emergency liner and then emergency like wipes or so. I switched over to the cup back in April. It was like after I moved back from Europe, and I switched to the cup, which is great because now I don't need to carry anything except for a wipe and a liner. So this is great because then that saves space, and then everything fits into this nice little pouch, and then I can put this pouch in my tote bag, in my backpack, or even in my traveling bag. But these are just like little essentials that I just have together. Yeah, so that is my mom kit. I usually take this kit, I usually keep it in my backpack or my tote bag, Usually if I'm traveling, I'll also keep it in one of those bags as well. So that way I have a little mini versions of things I would need, everyday essentials, just to have it around with me in case I need them. And yeah, if you want more content like this on ways I organize my life, let me know, leave a comment down below, and I will talk to you soon.